What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $190.32 just by using your computer. If you want to learn how to make money with your computer in 2023, then this video is for you. First method, selling digital products. The first method to make money with your computer is by selling digital products. You can create your own digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software and sell them online. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Sendel to sell your digital products. Second method, online surveys. Another way to make money with your computer is by taking online surveys. You can sign up for websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and get paid for sharing your opinion. Third method, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money with your computer. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon or ClickBank and start promoting products. Fourth method, freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer. You can sign up for platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and start offering your services to clients. Fifth method, online tutoring. If you're good at teaching, you can offer your services as an online tutor. You can sign up for websites like Chegg or TutorMe and start teaching students online. Sixth method, YouTube. YouTube is another great way to make money with your computer. You can create your own YouTube channel and start uploading videos. You can monetize your videos with ads and earn money from YouTube. Seventh method, stock trading. If you're interested in stock trading, you can use your computer to trade stocks. You can sign up for platforms like Robinhood or TD Ameritrade and start trading stocks. So there you have it guys, 7 ways to make money with your computer in 2023. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or start a full-time business, these methods can help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Start making money with your computer today.